Unit 1, the basics. This is where you are now. The goal of Unit 1 is to take you from no prior background on computing to the knowledge necessary to begin learning. We've already started that though. You now know some basic terminology like input, output, code, compiling, console, and GUI. In the remainder of this lesson, we'll cover the basics of your programming language and how to get your own local programming setup ready to go. That way, you'll be able to start applying the things you learn on your own. This will depend heavily on the language you're learning, but we'll get to that later. We'll also chat about the domain in which we'll apply these principles. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the basic flow of programming, writing code, compiling it, executing it, and evaluating the results. This is when you'll get your first taste of actually writing computer code yourself. The process we'll describe here is fundamental to anything you ever do in computing. In the third lesson of this unit, we'll cover a process called debugging. This is basically resolving errors that arise in your code, either where it won't work or where it works but it doesn't do what you want it to do. In some ways, it's hard to talk about debugging before you have lots of experience programming, but in others, you need to understand how to debug code to really make progress in learning it in the first place. At the conclusion of Unit 1, you'll be prepared to start learning to develop real computer programs.